Is your Cadillac LYRIQ key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video shows you how to easily replace the battery yourself, saving time and money. This guide applies to 2023 and 2024 LYRIQ models. Replacing the battery is simple and does not require dealership reprogramming. To replace your Cadillac LYRIQ key fob battery, you'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which is widely available at drugstores or online. Make sure to get a new one from a reputable brand like Duracell or Energizer for optimal performance and longevity. You'll also need a small plastic pry tool or screwdriver to gently open the fob's compartment. This helps avoid scratches on the casing and prevents damage to internal components. Importantly, avoid using metal tools to prevent short circuits that could harm the electronics. Optional electrical tape can be used to reinforce the fob after opening, helping to maintain its splash-resistant seal. This ensures the fob remains protected from moisture. Remember, these simple tools and precautions will help you complete the replacement safely and effectively, ensuring your key fob works reliably. Begin by locating the small seam on the key fob. This is where the two halves meet and where you'll insert the pry tool. Gently insert the plastic pry tool into the seam. Work it in carefully to start separating the halves. Carefully pry the fob open, working your way around the edges until the two halves separate completely. Take your time to avoid damage. Remember to be gentle to avoid damaging the internal components or rubber seals. These parts are delicate and essential for the fob's function. After reassembly, consider applying electrical tape to the seam for added protection against moisture. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side facing up. Use your finger or a small tool to gently pop out the old battery. When inserting the new CR2032 battery, ensure the positive side is facing the correct way. Incorrect polarity can lead to malfunction or rapid battery drain. Now carefully align the two halves of the key fob, ensuring the edges match perfectly. Press them together firmly until you hear or feel them snap securely into place. Check for any gaps in the seam to confirm a proper fit. Once reassembled, test the key fob functionality by pressing each button. Start with the lock button, then unlock, and finally the trunk release. The fob should respond with lights or sounds indicating proper operation. If the key fob doesn't respond after testing, perform a quick reset. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. This often resolves minor communication issues without needing professional service. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, first double-check the battery orientation. The positive side with the plus mark should face up, as shown in this image. Next, ensure the battery is new and functioning. Test it in another device if possible to rule out a faulty battery. Inspect the battery contacts for corrosion, which appears as white or blue buildup. If found, clean gently with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. If problems continue, avoid forcing the fob open further. Consult your Cadillac owner's manual or contact a local dealership for professional help. Replacing the key fob battery yourself is a quick and cost-effective solution. Dealerships often charge $50 to $150 for this service, while a CR2032 battery costs only a few dollars. Doing it yourself saves you both time and money. Surveys show LYRIQ owners save an average of $50 to $100 annually by performing basic maintenance like this themselves. The future of key fobs is moving toward rechargeable batteries and smartphone-based digital keys. GM plans to incorporate wireless charging capabilities in future models like the LYRIQ's successor. The My Cadillac app can also be used as a digital key, allowing you to start, lock, and unlock your vehicle directly from your smartphone. While DIY battery replacement remains popular for now, expect rechargeable fobs and digital keys to become more prevalent in the coming years, potentially phasing out physical fobs entirely.